Hi! If you want to see how this bag transformed from this into this, please keep on watching. Thank you so much for supporting my little channel, and if you're new here, please do consider subscribing and follow me on my Instagram. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed this little review and unboxing video, and I hope to see you in my next video soon. Till then, please stay safe, take care, and stay beautiful. Have a nice day. Bye.